Welcome to Tulsa Food Machinery. In this video, I will introduce a new range of automatic cookers, boilers, designed for boiling meat products such as sausages and other applications in the food industry. Are available in 5 capacities: 165, 250, 335, 505, and 725 liters electric or gas heating. Tulsa cookers are fully made of stainless steel, including interior. Made in Germany, Achtermann Hitch allows the cover to effortlessly open, close, move, and remain open at any angle from 20 to 85 degrees. The high-quality silicone lid seal pressure is reached faster, saving time and reducing energy consumption. 2 tabs built in the front for direct filling with hot and cold water. Front draining tab with safeguard to prevent accidental opening. All models include an intermediate stainless steel thermal oil chamber. This chamber allows uniform heat distribution for better cooking and practically eliminates the possibility of burning the food at the bottom. It maintains the initial heat for the next cooks, saving time and energy. Oil chamber and lid are thermally insulated with fireproof fiberglass and aluminum sheathing, thus keeping heat longer and saving energy. Easy disassembly and access to serviceable parts. Legs provide floor clearance for perfect cleaning. 4 rounded and adjustable stainless steel feet allow precise leveling of the cooker. Easy to clean outside and inside. Rectangular container has rounded corners. All models with German brand Aditech control unit mounted on separate switchboard, allowing precise programming of time and temperature, including delayed program start at any desired time and day. A buzzer alerts at the end of cycle. Stainless steel mesh basket for extraction of the product in a single operation with the help of a hoist. Additional manual probe to measure core temperature of large pieces. Tulsa, market leader in the global food industry.